back to my channel. Today we are going to be making us a plush bag out of these two little rugs. I got this from the Dollar Tree, so we're going to be making us a $2.50 bag because y'all know they went up $1.25. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is pop the tag. Go ahead and get rid of that. You can also rip this part off as well. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm going to just be folding this in half like this. I think that's going to be pretty good. So you're just going to fold that in half like this. So you can either do it this way or you can do it the long way, but I think I like the other way better. So we're just going to do it this way. The next thing you're going to do is take some fabric glue. This is my fabric glue that I use pretty much all the time. We're going to open this up and we're just going to glue the sides on both sides. If you want to add some extra reinforcement, you can go all the way down, but I'm just going to be gluing. Our next step is just folding this in half to where it will connect with the other side. So we're just gonna line that up and just press. And you're gonna do that on both sides. Just line that up and just press it together. Hey y'all, while that is drying, you want to take the other end and we're just gonna open that up and we're just gonna fold it like this way. I think that'll be pretty good. And we are just gonna cut that all the way down. So let me see. Line that up like that, and we are going to glue it. You don't want to glue all the way down here. You want to leave these open because this will be our connection to our bag. So we are going to glue this and then connect it to our bag. All right, y'all, I wanted to see if you could use a hot glue on here with the hot glue gun. So let's see how this does. Just in case you guys don't have fabric glue, we're gonna see how this will work with a hot glue gun. Since this is polyester, so it's looking like you can use a glue gun too. So if you don't have fabric glue, go ahead and try out the glue gun. Seems to be working fine. And if you have both of them, you can mix them as well. Just whatever works best for you. Alright y'all, so I had some extra fabric from the purse that I made earlier, so I'm going to make a mini one for my little niece, and this should be enough for me to go ahead and make a little small one. She's only 1 year old, so she doesn't need a big one, and I'm going to show you how to do this with just the glue gun, so let's get into it.
You gon' hurt your back, dragging all them bags like that. I guess nobody ever told you all you must hold on to is you, is you.